In this video, we will learn how to use fade in and fade out effect for your video in Premiere Pro. First, bring the video clips into the Premiere Pro. Then go to Project section from Edit. Click the right button here. Go to New Item. Click on Black Video. Click the OK button. Drag the black video and place it on top of your video. Click the right button on black video. Click on Speed Duration. Make the duration 15 frames. Click on the OK button. Go to the beginning of the black video. From the Effect control, go to Opacity. Reduce the opacity to 0%. Click on the opacity toggle animation. You can see a keyframe is created. Now go to the end of the black video. Increase the opacity to 100%. Another keyframe is created. Now click on Blend Mode. Click on Darken. Now make another copy of black video. To copy, hold the Alt key on the keyboard and move the video. Now go to the second black video. Select the first keyframe and double click. Increase the opacity to 100%. Then select the second keyframe and double click. Reduce the opacity to 0%. Now place the two black videos side by side. Select these two black videos together. Then place it on the video clip. Now see, your fade in and fade out effect is created. Thanks for watching the video.